Verma from NSRT. Today we will cells to singularity. It looks like the game is loading. So while it is loading, I want to tell you that we are very sorry because the story of the Cosmos series is taking a while to be created, and there are more problems.
Welcome. This experiment is designed to advance our understanding of evolution. By participating, you help us gather data needed to create accurate simulations. Shall we begin? Thank you.
So I don't want that anyone gets bored because we are not uploading videos very early. So we thought that we will make another series, but in these series we will make videos related to space gaming. So let's start. Okay, what happens in this game? Entropy. You collected some entropy. Use entropy to buy evolution upgrades. Okay. Yeah. This game is very different as I thought. Amino acids. Evolution begins. Amino acid. Okay. Generators produce passive entropy. Okay. अमीनो एसिड था क्या? Oh, now I understand. This game is related to evolution. In this evolution, we will understand about acids, particles, and other things. Then it will be developed into a space type thing. DNA. This game looks very different. Sequence form DNA. Okay, this game is very confusing. What is prokaryotic cell? Where it is located? Here. There it is. For this we need 300. What was it called? I forgot. It is very confusing. The first sign of life bubble up in the primordial soup. Now, what is primordial soup? Prokaryotic cell. Explore guidance to view your simulation progress. Okay, I thought it is space related. Now I understand that it is not space related. It was like science related. Okay. Mm. Okay, so let's continue. It is now we need prokaryotic cell multiplied by 2 more efficient ऐसे तो sorry mitochondria. What is this type of cell? Oh, I see it. I see it. This this cell you can see in the video is the mitochondria. I think it is the most important cell we need right now. Okay, so let's buy it. Nucleus. Nucleus. Oh. Nucleus is the main bacteria that will help in growing the life. Let's buy one actually. Now we want eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell. I haven't heard. I haven't even heard this type of cell. Oh my god. For this we need 1000. I again forgot its name. Let's see what was the name of these particles. It doesn't show. Collect eukaryotic cell 0/1. Okay, let's see the description of eukaryotic cell. The prokaryotic cells more complex cousin. Eukaryotic cells have a nucleus to cousin. nucleus to store genetic information. Fungi, plants, animals, and protozoa are all built of eukaryotic cells. Okay, so uh, in the last part of this video, we will understand all descriptions of these particles like amino acids, DNA, RNA. That's by eukaryotic cell. Life created eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell. Okay. Uh, what is mitosis? Let's see. We should buy this virus. We don't have enough those particles. Bacterium. What is bacterium? Prokaryotic cell. 2x. Why? What? Let's see. Should I? No, next. It will help sustain more life on Earth. The moon is born when a Mars-sized object hits the young Earth. Oh shit! It is the planet Theia. It is said that 4.5 billion years ago, a planet named Theia crashed into the Earth that formed the moon, and because of that crash, the Earth got more mass and got this that much energy and gravity to sustain life on it. Okay, let's see what happened to the Earth. Okay, here goes the moon. What is this logged area? Let's see. Let's see. We need tissue. It is about 4,500 particles. Guys, so I forgot these particle names, so I want you all to leave the name in the description. Leave in the comment box. Then I will understand who was watching this video carefully. Oh my god, muscles. Filter feeding. These particles are very complicated. Okay, so for today it is enough. Now I said earlier that we will study all the descriptions given about these particles. So let's study. First, amino acids. Amino acid produces 0.4 particles per second, 4x, producing 1 0.6 per second. Atoms and molecules bond together to create amino acids, organic compounds that combine to build proteins. They are some of the most essential building blocks for life. Okay, now let's understand DNA. A molecule with the unique property of self-replication. DNA's infinite configurations form the foundation of all evolutionary changes. It contains the genetic instructions for all life on the earth. Now let's see RNA. RNA is responsible for transferring genetic code from the nucleus to ribosomes to make proteins. It controls gene expression and regulations. Okay, now let's study about proteins. Protein. The building blocks of living cells. Proteins are molecules made for long chain of amino acids. Plasma membrane. Plasma membrane protects the interior of the cells from the environment. Bacterium. DNA X2 more efficient. Bacteria are unicellular microorganisms that have cell walls, but none of organelles that make up multicellular organisms. While some can make you sick, most bacteria are harmless and many are actually necessary for you to survive. Okay, now let's study prokaryotic cells. The first living organism. These tiny unicellular organisms lacked a membrane-wrapped nucleus, but paved the way for the rest of the life to begin. Now let's study about viruses. A virus is a biological agent that replicates within other cells. Surprisingly, its ability to infiltrate the DNA of other organisms is one of the humans even exist. Okay, mitosis. Mitosis is a process of asexual reproduction where one cell divides into two identical cells. It occurs only in eukaryotic cells and enable single-celled organism to multiply. Okay, let's study about nucleus. Nucleus, a cell's control center. The nucleus contains the chromosomes that house DNA. What does that mean? What the heck? Mitochondria, the powerhouse of cell. Mitochondria and organelles that converts glucose to energy. Now last, eukaryotic cell. The eukaryotic cell. The prokaryotic cell's more complex cousin. Eukaryotic cells have a nucleus to store genetic information. Fungi, plants, animals, and protozoa are built of eukaryotic cells. Tissue. Tissues are groups of cells come together to perform a specific function. Organs are formed by groups of tissues. Okay, so guys, this is enough for today, and I hope you have learned more things about the life. So bye bye, keep curious and watch NSRT daily.